This is an exciting time of the year for Presidential Exteriors. This is, like I said, our 6th conference. How are we feeling about Colorado Springs? Yeah, right? Everybody who's currently sitting in this room, you guys are the very few out of our company that were selected to be here. Not only from your management team, not only from your executives, but also from your peers.
This is my first leadership and I learned so much. I'm super excited to go back and take everything that I learned here and implement it into my work. And I got super close with a bunch of people in Presidential and I cannot wait to keep moving forward.
If you get everybody to be all in, you can achieve some remarkable accomplishments.
Every marker was like a little bit of relief. I saw the 2700 mark and I was like,
it feels really good. Like I've never done this, so that means like I really do this. So I'm happy for it, and I feel powerful.
It was a struggle towards the end, but you know, we finished strong and it was a lot of fun, so I'm glad I did it.
we're here at the incline. Obviously, it's a very challenging hike. You're gonna want to stop, you're gonna want to quit, but the conference is about being all in, and you gotta be all in if you want to get to the top, and that's what it's about at the end of the day.
It's so much easier to do the hard thing, and it's so much easier to do the right thing when you have a team of people there pushing you, working with you, right, encouraging you, and a team that has high expectations of you.
My experience, as always, has been wonderful. It's an awesome opportunity to bump shoulders with the higher ups and, you know, show that I'm more than just a sales rep, that I have many other skills to show.
We're all working together towards one big thing. Part of that guarantee is being able to believe in what you're doing. You're not selling lies, you're not telling lies, and that's that integrity.
This is my first year, and definitely it has been a challenge. I really loved all the physical activities that we did, especially as a team. Got to talk to a lot of the leaders here that I usually don't interact with, so it's nice to meet them and see how the whole team works as a unity.
We're not going to become and continue to be the best construction company there is, period, if everyone in this room is not all in.
I want you to make a decision if you're all in. That's what's going to make us hit our goals in the next 10 years to $250 million. It starts with you guys right here. So thanks for showing up, guys. Let's get to work. Can I get a Prezi? Oh, yeah!